If you're here, it's probably because you've accidentally deleted some important messages on Facebook Messenger and you're wondering how to get them back. In today's video, we're going to explore some ways to try to recover deleted messages. Before we dive into more advanced methods, let's start with something simple: checking your archived conversation. Sometimes people think they've deleted a message, but actually they've just archived it. To check for archived message, open Messenger, tap on the three dots and go to archive. If you found the conversation you're looking for, great, it wasn't deleted, just archived. Now, if you didn't find your messages in the archive, don't give up yet. You can also check Facebook's website on your desktop browser, as it may show older messages that the app hasn't synced yet. Now, if you still can't find the deleted messages, Facebook gives the option to download a copy of your data, which can include messages from Messenger. Go to facebook.com and log into your account. Now go to settings. Now find your Facebook information. Now let's try again. Go to settings. Scroll down until you find download your information. Now, after you found download your information, simply select messages from the list. You can choose the date range and file format you want, then click create file. Facebook will compile your data, which can take some time, and you'll receive a notification when the file is ready to download. And that's it. Those are the most effective ways to try to recover deleted messages on Messenger.